There are potentially many consumers for the fit-for-purpose framework. Executives can use it for strategic planning and positioning of their business. They can use it for understanding customer satisfaction at an executive roll-up kind of level. People who do strategic marketing can use it for identifying market segments that should be pursued and classifying them into targets and non-targets, and potentially currently a non-target, but we're monitoring it. We have a neutral stance on it.
I would say people who want to think like entrepreneurs should use the F4P framework. You have to have very good answers, who your customers are, who your future customers will be, what kind of products and services they might need, by what criteria they will choose those products and services over your competitors or over any existing offering in the market.
Then product managers can use it to help with understanding the features, functions, and levels of performance that are required for products. The same is true for service design, and the same is true for processes. So delivery managers can be using it to understand the process performance and against the expectations of customers, people consuming a service. It's also useful for business analysts to help them write better requirements. In agile software development, product owners, again, to help them write better requirements, and to help people answer questions around what represents value. Something is valuable if it drives us towards a higher level of fitness for our products and services. It's valuable if it gets us selected versus a competitor's offering. So the fit-for-purpose framework will help with all of those things. It's very useful for upstream. What markets are we targeting? What do those market segments expect? And how do we go about prioritizing those things based on, we have many choices. Which ones will give us the biggest bang for the buck, will move us towards fitness most effectively. And we can also use it for market research. It provides new market research insights that were not previously available. So it's additional market research. And we believe very important market research that relates directly to business performance in the sense that the customer will select you rather than a competitor.
If you are, let's say, a manager or a contributor to the process of making the product, perhaps building it and delivering it, if you are involved in some kind of day-to-day management of that process, or perhaps execution of that process, again, you can think as an entrepreneur. You can connect more closely to your customer and what the customers want and need. It's the how of your product or service delivery. It's the way you do it, how long it takes, how good the quality is. The fit-for-purpose framework will help you understand customers' purpose, again, what meets that purpose, what truly needs to be in your product to be competitive, what doesn't really need to be there.
So quite a broad target audience, different people in that target audience using different aspects of the framework at greater levels of depth. So executives really just knowing what segments are we in, whether those segments like us or not, how well do they like us, where should we place our investments. where individual contributors like business analysts will be using the nitty-gritty of the framework to flesh out very actionable and measurable product requirements.